Hello and welcome to BOZWANG. Today we are introducing the BZW-G5001 high-voltage cable intelligent rotary stripping machine designed for precision processing of new energy high-voltage cables. This machine supports a wide range of 2.5 to 70 square millimeters, with stripping lengths from 15 to 70 millimeters. Built-in processing modules improve overall safety. The motor-driven clamping system ensures secure and adjustable cable fixation during operation. Equipped with a touchscreen interface and PLC control, the machine allows fast switching between functions and simple parameter settings for efficient operation. The rotary tool holder ensures high machining accuracy, delivering clean and precise stripping results. The BZW-G5001 integrates jacket stripping, aluminum foil removal, shear net cutting, internal insulation stripping, and shear net flipping into one seamless process. Each function can also be operated independently, ensuring flexibility for different production needs. Powerful and reliable, the BZW-G5001 intelligent rotary stripping machine is an advanced solution for new energy high-voltage cable processing.